In this video, I'll be showing you my VidJam review. So in a nutshell, VidJam is a cloud-based application that lets you automate lot many activities of YouTube. Along with there, you can run multiple automatic campaigns like subscribing to different channels, auto replying to comments, and a lot more. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of VidJam. I'll be also showing you my custom bonuses which I have compiled for you guys. We will be taking a look at the sales page. I'll be telling you about the different price points for VidGem, and finally I'll be telling you if you have to get this product or not. So basically YouTube has also got their own dashboard where you can control a lot many things. You can upload videos, you can do all sort of things, you can see the analytics, but still there are some things which you cannot do from this particular dashboard of YouTube, and this is where VidJam comes into the picture. So this is how the dashboard of VidJam looks like, and the first thing you're gonna see are the social accounts which you can connect. You can connect the different channels, your YouTube channel. If you've got multiple channels, you can connect it from here. And then comes the automation tools, which are the channel manager. I'll tell you how all these works. So you can create a like and comment campaign, you can create a subscription campaign, you can manage your videos, manage your playlist, and also upload your videos from here. And this is the template manager where you can create different templates. And then you have also going to get the search tool, which is the search engine. So if you would like to find a particular keyword and see what is the traffic on that keyword, you can do that. You can search for a channel, playlist, and you can also find keywords from here by entering the ID of a particular video. It's the bit on the URL of the video, which is the ID, and you will get to know how to find the videos IDs from here. Then you need to just click on search, and you will see all these search the tags which this person is using in his video. And then you are also going to get the different reports. You can get the reports for your auto reply campaign, your rank tracking, and there is also a link wheel, which is basically to provide the backlinks that is going to help you with the ranking of your videos. So now let's go into channel manager and show you by creating a like and comment campaign. So we just need to click on actions, and then we click on create a campaign, and then we just give it a name, test12, and then from here we select the channel which is already there. Then we select a template. You can customize a template from the template manager, and then you can select if you want to search for the keywords. Let's say you want to search for a dentist in London, so it's going to find the videos with this particular keyword and like those videos. That's how it's going to work. And you can set up the start date and the expiry date of the campaign, and you can also set the maximum activity, how much time in a particular day you want this campaign to run. So basically I believe you can set it between 1 and 50, so you can like 50 videos in a day. And again, you do not have to go overboard with this, otherwise your account will be banned by YouTube. So just do like 10 to 15 or maybe maximum 20 videos per day. And what happens by liking a particular video, that person gonna see that who has liked that video. You can also do a comment campaign in that. Yeah, from here you can do the you can also put a particular comment regarding that particular video, so that also you can do. And it's going to like and put the comment, and when that person see that you have commented, they're going to come back to your profile, they're going to see your channel, and that's how they also subscribe to your channel. And this is how you can build your channel. And also you can use this, like you can put your website link, your affiliate link in the template, and this VidJam will automatically run the campaign of commenting using your link on different people videos, and that's how you can get traffic to your links. So there are multiple ways with which you can use this. And then there is also a subscription campaign. You can run subscription to different channels from here. Like you can search for the keyword and subscribe to those channels, and they usually get a notification if they have turned it on that so and so person has subscribed, so then they can go back and also subscribe to your channel. So as I said, there are multiple ways with which you can use this software. And let's check out the link wheel. So we just create a campaign, and have to select the videos we want in the link wheel. So we create a link wheel, we give it a name, test 123, and then we just click on create link wheel by selecting the videos. So now the link wheel has been created, and it's gonna run, and it's gonna create the backlinks that way. So this is how this particular tool works, and I've also put together some custom bonuses for you guys. The link to that will be in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this page of mine, and you can also read about VidJam on this page. There's a complete article I have written on VidJam. So the number one bonus I'm going to give you a training on how to make money by doing review videos on YouTube, which is called launch hacking. So you can just combine the power of launch hacking through this training and this particular software, and it's going to be a ultimate uh, weapon for you for YouTube. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you my free training for YouTube. So I've got this training which is done by myself. It teaches you everything right from uh, starting the channel, starting the videos, and everything about YouTube. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you training on video marketing domination, how you can dominate using video marketing. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you my product, which is Aerial Assassin front end and the OTO one, which is the upgrade one. And Aerial Assassin is all about how you can make money using Facebook organic marketing. It's a very powerful method. You can combine that with YouTube, and it's very powerful. You don't need any other traffic methods after that. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you training on how to run YouTube ads. So if you want to take your YouTube business to the next level, you can run YouTube ads. And bonus number six, I'm going to give you access to Cartel, which is a software which gives you automated cheap traffic. So these are my bonuses, and all you need to do, just click on yes order now button on this page. That will take you to this particular sales page, which says world's first AI technology based YouTube app for 2021 and beyond. Brand new app that drives free automated YouTube traffic and sales in just 30 seconds. I'm not sure about this in just 30 seconds. You're not going to get traffic and sales in 30 seconds, but yes, it is going to automate the YouTube and everything I'd shown you. And it's a quite nice looking sales page which you can have a look once you are ready to make the purchase. Just need to click here to get started. That will take you to Warrior Plus, where you need to complete your purchase, and all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. After you complete the purchase, just need to click on access affiliate bonus, and your bonuses will be there waiting for you. And now talking about the different price points for VidJam. So the front end, which includes the software which I've shown you and all my bonuses, that is only going to cost you $17. And this is just a one-time price. There are no monthly pricing for VidJam. And then there are some optional upgrades. I highly recommend you pick up the Pro, which is the unlimited version, for $37. Basically, you're going to get the commercial license where you can sell this as a service to clients, and you are also going to get the YouTube backlink and all that, and all the restrictions will be removed from this. The upgrade number two is the SEO Jam for $47. So basically, you're going to get some additional SEO tools to help you with the video ranking and all. And then they have the upgrade number three, which is the VidJam plus SEO Jam, the agency license, where you can just do a agency kind of work using VidJam, and that will cost you $67. And then the upgrade number four is the Chatbox for $37. So basically, it's an all-in-one marketing suite and automated social media sharing. And upgrade number five is the reseller license for $97. So basically, you can promote this VidJam as your own product and keep the 100% profit. And now talking about the things which I like about Vidjam. So it's all about free traffic. After getting this software, you do not have to invest in any money in any piece of additional software or tool. Do not need to have any tech skills. It's very simple to use, and there are no monthly hardships. So these are the things which I like, and things which I do not like. Well, so far I haven't found anything, but if I found it, I'll update it over here. So now talking about whether you have to get it or not. So if you are doing YouTube, or if you want to promote your offers using YouTube, then this automation software can do the job for you. So if you're looking specifically to automate your YouTube campaigns, then definitely you can go for this software. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Again, the link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.